In this video, I'm going to review a portable folding table which I have been using for a long period of time for my personal household purposes. This folding table is manufactured by Supreme, which is a very well-known brand. Before diving into the features of this awesome table, I would request you to watch this short review right till the end. Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sanits.com, and let's get right into the features of this folding table. So straightforwardly talking about the pros of this device, it's not a very complicated kind of a device that it's going to be having any hidden elements, as this product is a simple one. Anything and everything that I speak will be visible in the video. The table has a hard top plastic surface which feels extremely strong. Those X pattern legs are made up of metal. Both the metal legs and the top surface looks and feels quite sturdy. Right at the bottom, plastic cover buttons are placed to stabilize, avoid friction of metal from ground surface, and to avoid human injury from getting in direct contact with the sharp metal. If you compare this table with a plastic table, then this table is going to be a bit heavier. But if you compare it with a wooden table, then this is on a lighter side. The folding feature makes this table a very special one, as it can be kept anywhere you want. If you live in a tight space or you want something which won't take up a lot of space, this is going to be the right choice for you. Carrying this is also very easy, very much hassle-free. Unfolding this table is easy. Just click this button in the center and push up and adjust the height according to your requirements. The same process vice versa to fold it again. The height of this table is as follows according to the different stop levels. This is a multi-purpose table, can be used for studying, dining, or as an office table, etc. It's up to you. The company also claims this table to be waterproof, dust-proof, termite-proof, and corrosion-proof. As I have been using this table for nearly 2 years, I confirm all these claims to be true. The company offers this table in two colors, which is Globus Brown and the other one is the red. As you can see in the video, this is a Globus Brown color. So talking about my personal experience, I also ordered one table for my cousin as they also wanted one. So if you're looking for a table like this, don't think too much. So I have also provided the purchase link down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and Dhanyavad. Also provided the purchase link in the